Hi, welcome back. Today we'll create a Zoho bot. It's called Zia, and I'm going to put this on Ticket Zero website so that the visitors can book an appointment with me. I already have a WhatsApp and the booking form linked to my Zoho CRM, so all the details are there. I am also creating this, so that the visitor can chat with the bot and schedule an appointment with me, right? So this is a basic bot that I'm creating. I'm choosing OpenAI as a model here, and I'm connecting Zoho bookings. I'm giving permissions to Zia agents to have access to my booking portal and my Zoho CRM, so that it can fetch all the details from the visitor and put it on the CRM so that I can take an action from there. This is a criteria, and I want some to be constant, some to be dynamic, and once I select all this and I click next, it'll probably sync all the details to my CRM. So let us test the Zia agent. So it's asking me for my email address, phone number, and WhatsApp number. So I'm gonna put in the visitor's name, email address, phone number, WhatsApp number. Sometimes it'll kind of ask you to enter your name again if you haven't given it the full name. So before you kind of put in an agent on your website, you ensure that you kind of train the agent, give it good instructions as to what needs to be followed. And here you see, so I didn't give the full name, so it's asking me to give the full name here. I would say this is one of the best tools if you're not available at that time, and still need a visitor on the website to kind of get the details that you want them to get, and get the visitor's email address, phone number, or other details. This is one of the best things that you could do, and I would always suggest WhatsApp to be the primary contact for the visitor. Well, you cannot be available 24/7, so while in your non-operational hours, you could probably have the agent do the work for you. So I'm using ChatKit here to kind of deploy this on my website, and I would be customizing this. You can actually change the icon there, rename the website appointment booking assistant to something else here. All of that can be customized by clicking on the customize button at the right top corner here. So this is a test thing. I'm just checking how it follows. So it's asking what is the purpose of the call. This is all live, and this is the basic version of an agent. An agent can do a lot of things. I'm just creating this booking, appointment booking agent. Um, so whenever I am not available, and in the non-business hours, the visitor on my website gives me all the details so that I can follow up on the next business hour. Right. So I've given all the details. I go back to my CRM. I link my Zoho CRM. So here's the lead, and I can take an action. As I said, in the next business hour. So I did not lose the lead. So losing lead is one of the biggest things that you would miss, because you'd be running ads, you'd be reaching out to people, giving them your business card, all of that. So it's important that every lead is followed up, every visitor is informed, uh, and and you follow up on that lead in the future. I also send an email to the person who contacted through agent. So it went through, and that's in the CRM. So I'm finally testing my agent on the website, and it actually acts the same as it acted in the previous you know uh, platform. So we just deployed that on the website, so it's not going to make any difference. But if you could give more instructions, if you could give the agent clear instructions as to what needs to be done, it'll follow, and you would probably get better results,